Today we're going to look at how to get logged in to Quizizz so that you can practice some of these history skills. So we're in our web browser and we're going to go to the Quizizz link first off to join the class. That's the first thing that we need to do in order to make sure that we are actively involved in Quizizz. So we're going to enter the link bit.ly Quizizz B tags, and I'm going to join as first period. It's important to know that when you're using these bit.ly links that you have to put it in exactly as it's listed. So this one is in all lowercase. This will take me to Quizizz and allow me to create an account to join this class. Once I join the class, then I can open the Quizizz app that's available in the HCPS self-service. But for now, I need to go ahead and create an account to join the class. I'm going to use my Google account related to Henry County Public Schools, which is what you should use as well. And that will get me logged in. Now I have joined the class. I want to make sure that my name is as it's listed in PowerSchool. That way I know, and then I can enter my parent or guardian email address so that they have information about the my quiz results. So then I'm going to hit accept invitation, and now I'm in here and ready to go. Whenever that I assign you a game, you can then enter the game code that's related to the specific quiz that's being given, or you can just join the link and then click on in. If you have ones that have been assigned, they will be listed on this very first page. So for example here, I'm going to go ahead in and see if I can load us up a game here. I'm going to go on my end and assign a game quickly. Let's see here. I'm going to assign as homework to this game. All right, so now I have a game code, and I'm going to enter that game code here. You'll always have these game codes listed for you, and then I'm going to hit join. Once I hit join, I can start the game. It will read it aloud for me if I want it to. If that's an accommodation that you get, then make sure that you're clicking on that. After that, I can start my game, and I'm ready to go ahead and join. From here, it's going to show me one question at a time, and I can click the different answer choices. So one characteristic of the Northern Renaissance was that it focused on secular rather than religious subjects. This is how you play Quizizz. Once you finish, it will load your results for you. Some quizzes you'll be allowed to take multiple times. Some quizzes you won't be. So make sure that you are doing your best every time that you play. Thanks for watching.